Check, 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 check. Check, 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 check. Am I audible, ma'am?
Good evening to all of you. Today we are on the 6th day of the FTP program. Most respected resource person, Professor Vimal Jaral sir, an inspiring and motivating teacher who has the capacity to keep the participants glued for 2 hours continuously. It's a real appreciation to you, sir, and learned participants who are actively involved in upskilling their skills. Yesterday, we have been exploring Elena, and today we are going to explore the much awaited Canva. Wishing you all a happy learning experience. Thank you. Over to Professor Gerald, Vimil Gerald, sir.
Thank you, madam. Dear participants, esteemed team organizing from the University of Annamalai, all the organizing team members, and dear participants from different parts of the country, a very good evening to you all. How are you all? Still some of our friends are yet to join, so we shall wait until then. I would like to, am I audible to you all? Am I audible to you all?
Yes, sir.
So just now we have started, it was just appearing to be, just now we have started and we are on the 6th day. Professors, my network may fluctuate, I'm in different place. So please pardon me if my network fluctuates. Please let me know so that I can just modify. Thank you very much, professors. Professors, yesterday we had a clear demonstration or exploration on Elena. So Elena could, could help us with lot of resources. Number one, in Ask Elena, what is the option? I'm just asking you. Is it fluctuating now itself? Dr. Aruna, is it fluctuating? Are you not able to get me? Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Slightly. People say clear. Some say clear. Some say my network is stronger. It says, see, I just checked it with fast.com. Quite good connection. Yeah, I'm just getting quite good connection. Let us see. Okay, fine, fine. It is cutting. Am I audible? Am I audible? +1 in the chat if I'm audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
People say I'm audible. I think some of you please check because it is raining here and there. So somehow because of the weather, we may go experience bad with network. Yeah, video not clear today because video, it's not a high speed network today. I'm connected. I'm in a remote area. I've come for a workshop today. Yes, dear professors, tell me now, tell me please, now what is the option that gives us citation fetching information from Elena? What is the option that gives us citation that fetches details from where? The source of the detail. Can I have your answers? Yeah, Jnanapriya madam, Kumaresan sir. Sakila madam is wrong. Actually, web research. Actually, web research in Ask Elena. It's not Ask Elena. Yes, MIR is right. Ask Elena, web research. Yes, web research that gives you the details. Right, fine. Now tell me, what is the option to give us 20 plus resources? What is the option that gives us 20 plus resources? What is the option that we have with 20 plus resources? Can you tell me, dear professors, what is the option that through which we are able to get 20 plus resources? The option instant resources, fine. Absolutely, instant resources is the right answer. Yes. What are the different resources, professors? What are the instant resources, professors? What are the different instant resources? Could you please guide me? with what are the different instant resources? No, I'm not asking what are the methods. There are 4 methods: topic, text, and you can even attach a file, link also, through which we get instant resources. What are the instant resources that we get? What are the instant resources that we get? No, what are the resources that we get? Lesson plan is not an instant resource. Lesson curriculum, curriculum creator is not instant resource. I've given you list of instant resources, 20 resources. Okay, lecture notes, number 1. Number 2, taxonomical scaffolding, fill in the blanks, summary, activities, main ideas, games, taxonomical scaffolding. For advanced learners, you get some of the ideas, questions based on different taxonomy. Yeah, all that you get. That is what we call by instant resource. We all got it, dear professors? You understand what is by instant resources? Now, thirdly, when we go for curriculum, third option, that we have different, types of educational content, such as deep thinking questions. You are right. Bhagyalakshmi madam, you are right. What is the third option? What is the third option, dear professors? What is the third option? That, ask Kalena is 1. Secondly, instant resources. Thirdly, curriculum generator is one of the aspect. Okay, curriculum generator is one of the aspect. What is the third topic? Could you please tell me what is the third topic? What is the third topic, dear professors? Tell me, what is the third topic? What is the third topic, dear professors? Can you tell me, dear professors, what is the third topic that you get? The curriculum generator is one of the aspects. What is the third topic that you get, you work with? Curriculum generator is 1. Okay, what is the third topic that you get? Curriculum creator. Yes, curriculum creator, in which what are the things that you get? Curriculum creator is the right answer. Okay, only one Jnana Priya madam is correctly written. Curriculum creator, where curriculum generator, number 1. What are the other things that you create under curriculum generator? Sorry, curriculum creator. What are the other options that you? Okay, syllabus is curriculum generator, right? Second, learning activities. Okay, fine. Lesson planner, quiz generator, unit planner, and you also get course description, course subject is lesson planner, unit planner, MCQ generator, learning activity generator, all that. Okay. Rubric generator, rubric generator, absolutely fine. Rubric generator, all these. Can you generate images in Alena? Can you generate images in Alena? Professors, could you generate images in Alena? Absolutely, you can generate images in Alena. Right? Let me. Okay. Now, can you generate slides? Yes, of course, but we have just left with because we already seen it. Now, shall we move on to the today's context? Now, I shall just give you the basic idea of Canva. Then I shall just take you for research-based tool. You would like to have research today or tomorrow? Kindly let me know. I would like to have your opinion. Would you like to have research today or tomorrow? I would like to handle Canva, then go for research component today. That's what I have planned. And tomorrow we can go with lighter activities of generating, multimedia content. Multimedia content, yes. Today, many of you are asking for today. We'll go ahead with research today, and tomorrow we can go for multimedia content, because tomorrow it will be, Okay, doctor. Okay, thank you, doctor. Now, dear professors, shall I take you for Canva, then come for research? Okay, or research and Canva? What would be your choice? RC or CR? What is the order that you would like to have? Canva and research, research and Canva. Research, RC, Canva and research, Canva first. Okay, Canva both. Many of you opt for research. Should I go for research? Okay, some of you go for. Should I go for research? Okay, fine. Fine, dear process. Research. Okay. So I shall just do this way. Since many of you are asking for research, I shall spend 1 hour for research, remaining 1 hour for Canva. Will that be okay? Will that be okay? Now, let me just take it up. Yeah. Yes, dear professors, I'm just taking you for research because many of you asked me to go for research. I'm taking you for research. I am into chat GPT. Professors, I am into chat GPT. Please carefully note it. I am into chat GPT, right? Fine. Now here I am starting my research ideas. For example, see first thing, where can I get research ideas? Professors, before I begin research ideas, disclaimer, never ever copy and claim it as your content. It is purely to get ideas and work on your own. Please understand, dear professors, it will help us to just generate ideas and to work on our own and to research on our own. Sometimes we may not know where to go exactly, the research roadmap, and how do I go about and all that we may not be knowing. So it will be a great guide for us. So it is a disclaimer, never ever take the content as it is and publish anywhere. That is illegal. It is my disclaimer. Please get the idea and work on your own. That is my humble suggestion to you all. Now, for example, I am just going to give examples, but you please go with your own context. For example, I would like to work with generating research ideas for a starter. For example, if you are a research advisor, how would you advise your research scholars to begin? For example, look at here. Suggest me with areas of research on trend today on. You specify the area. Okay, suggest me with areas of research on trend today on maybe AI, artificial intelligence, or some topic, any topic. See, I'm just going with digital marketing. Digital marketing. Suggest me with the areas of research on trendy today on digital marketing, right? So commerce people, if you are interested in doing digital marketing, a vast area, if you would like to narrow down your research, you just prompt this way. It will give you some of the research areas. Look at here. AI driven digital marketing, number 1. What is the focus? And see, this is key question. Secondly, influential marketing and authenticity. This is another. Third one, omni-channel marketing and customer experience. VSO. You should have heard about SEOs, but now VSOs, voice search optimization. And data privacy and ethics in digital marketing. You've got augmented reality and virtual reality digital marketing, AR and VR digital marketing, sustainability and green marketing, social commerce and shoppable content, micro moments and real-time marketing. Am I audible? Professor, am I audible? Am I audible to you? Professor, am I audible? I think there was a call,
Yes,
so there might have been a fluctuation. Am I audible? Right, look at here. I've got 10 different topics. Yeah, now, am I okay now? Am I okay now? Dr. Selvakumar, don't worry. Dr. Selvakumar, don't worry.
Yes, sir.
Even
Yes, sir.
these are all some of the recent trends. These are all some of the recent trends. Look at here. See, voice optimization, omni-channel marketing. Even it is trendy today. Even it is trendy today. Never bother. These are all newer. Which area you belong to, you just search and you'll get it. Certainly you'll get it. Look at here, you just check for your own. Look at here, for example, I just choose this one, AR, VR marketing. Look at here. So narrow down, please narrow down the areas and take up a particular area. Take up a particular area. Okay, narrow down from 10 different ideas and trendy areas. Okay, from a broader area, you narrow down. I have taken the trendy.
Research కోసం ChatGPT నెట్ యూస్ చేయను one hour నుంచి.
1 minute. Okay, process. I am taking this and I'm going for. Look at here. Guide me with 5 research problem ideas. Look at here, research ideas on. See, I just wanted to have 5 research ideas. See, I have narrowed down. Professors, I have gone in for a broader digital marketing title. I'm just narrowing down. Okay. Now I have taken one of the areas, trendy areas, that is AR and VR digital marketing. There I would like to have 5 research ideas. Okay, 5 research ideas, either for paper writing, either for PhD research or any other research. Look at there. Now, see, within AR VR, you have impact of AR VR consumer purchase intention. That is one problem. Research question, focus, methodology. What is the methodology? It's a comparative study between user exposed to AR VR shopping experiences versus traditional online shopping methods. So this is a comparative study between people use AR VR, on the other hand, the traditional methods, and what way AR VR stands on the top, overdoing conventional methods. Second, enhancing brand engagement through AR VR storytelling. Methodology, experiential design testing. Third one, effectiveness of AR VR in experiencing. Research question, focus, methodology. Consumer acceptance of AR VR in digital advertising. Fifth one, role of AR VR in social commerce. Okay, dear participants, I would like to pull out this. Look at here. I have got 5 problems. Now I would like to have this one. I would like to have the first one. I have chosen. Please, have you all, are you following me, professors? Am I giving you sense? Are you able to follow? Please put yourself into your own area. I'm just giving you in general to make you all understand. I'm just narrow downing from a broader area to trendy areas. From there, I have got 5 problems. From there, I am choosing one problem. Look at here, I'm just choosing one research idea. Then going for, look at here, I'm going for problem statements. Okay. 5 problem statements based on impact of AR VR on consumer purchase intentions. Okay, I'm just going for problem statements now. See here, problem statement 1. Lack of understanding of AR VR influence on online shopping behavior. Number 1. So what is the problem now? See, whenever you identify the problem, only then we will be able to clearly come out with research solution. Only for that, we'll be able to go work, identify some of the solution. Based on experiment, based on survey, based on analytics, there could be research. There are different types of research, you all know. So I just would like to have problem statement, lack of understanding of AR, VR influence online shopping behaviors, right? What is the problem? Look at it. Despite of increasing integration of augmented reality and virtual reality. Look at here, on the retail, there is limited research on how these technology impact consumer purchase intention. Retailers struggle to understand whether immersive experience translate into higher conversion rates, merely enhance consumer engagement without driving actual sales. Now problem 2, limited data on AR VR effectiveness. Third one, problem statement, ambiguity in measuring ROI. Problem, see, these are all 5 problem statements. Out of these 5 problem statements, please go through, and now what should you do? You will have to take up the problem. Professors, please understand, this is where we'll have to go make real research. Please take out one of the problems. Okay, for example, look at here. Influence of AR/VR on post-purchase satisfaction and brand loyalty. I would like to take up this. I would like to take up this problem statement. Now look at here. I'm taking up this problem statement, making it elaborate. Are you all following it? Elaborate. Elaborate the problem statement. Problem statement on. See, elaborate the problem statement on. I have chosen, culled out one problem statement and I just enter. Look at this. I would like to have elaboration of problem statement. Look at here. As augmented reality, here we are continue to transform. It goes. Consumers who interact. See, the problem statement is elaborate now. Okay, very elaborate. Very elaborate. Now, go for expectation management, sustainability of impact, measurement of post-purchase behavior. Am I clear to you, dear professors? So when you get all these elements, now there is a research gap. Look at here. There is a limited empirical research exploring long-term impact of AR/VR on the post-purchase behavior and how it compares to more traditional marketing techniques in fostering customer loyalty. This gap makes it difficult for retailers to predict extended value of AR/VR. See, I'm able to get a research gap. So possible questions. Look at here. How does, see, this is possible questions. Now we are very clear about where to go, how to go, what is to be researched. So basic idea I've got it. Now this is where I should go in for reading papers. Professors, have you got it? I will just give you step by step. Number one, I have given a broad area asking for trendy type topics or areas in the broader area to narrow down. Take one of the areas and ask for research, 5 research ideas. From the 5 research ideas, I have culled out one research idea and generated 5 problems. I have culled out one research problem. I have elaborated the research problem, have clear understanding where to go for the research and how to carry out the research, and basic idea is generated. This is how I stop analytics here with ChatGPT. Now you need to go for reading the papers. Now what should I do? I have to read papers. Professors, please understand, I have to read papers. I'm just taking this. Look at here. See, take up this influence of AR on post-purchase. Take up this. Please take up this and read relevant papers. Now, how should I go for literature survey? So after literature survey, come out again with methodology and so on. I'm just going to tell you now. Look at here, professors, please here. Please remember, I am copying this and going for another tool. Professors, I'm going for another tool. Please go to Google. I'll come back. Have you all understood? Professors, have you all understood with the flow that we go? Now, so far, I have generated a problem statement elaborately, narrow downing from a broad area. Now, after narrow downing, I go in for literature survey, get to know what is the recent research on the topic that we have narrowed down. Look at your professors. I shall just go in for size space. Professors, the link is typeset.io. I shall share the link with you all. This tool is called typeset.io. Please carefully note it, professors. This tool is called typeset.io. Okay, typeset.io. So I would like to tell you once again, say I'm just taking a topic and coming here for search of papers. Now click the link. Professors, I'm going in the right sense. Am I able to make you understand? Are you able to get it? Particularly for the beginners or even to write a research article, this is the way. Narrow downing problems and getting idea for the problems. Once on identifying a problem, now literature review. Professors, have you all got it? Am I going in the right pace and methodology? Professors, you can also add in between, right? Now I just copy paste here. Look at here, this typeset.io. I just copy paste, enter. Now I will be listed with the research areas. I'll be listed with the similar research of the title that I have posted. See, influential AR, VR and post-purchase satisfaction brand. Look at your process. Look at here. Virtual reality to improve online experience retailing. See, 2021. This is 2013 research, 2020, 2016. So I get different research papers. Now I would like to have the recent research papers. Professors, I would like to have very, very recent research papers. It's a beautiful tool. Professors, carefully note it. It is a beautiful tool. I'm going to download papers first. Look at here. Take now go for PDF. Enable this PDF. Okay. Now after enabling this PDF, what is the meaning of adding this PDF? Professors, what is the meaning of adding this PDF? That will make you understand, all these PDFs will give you, the papers which could be downloaded, open source. Okay. See, I just enable also open access. Never mind, never think that open access means substandard journal. No, there are excellent journals still with open source. I mean, open access. Now look at here, more filters. Click more filters. Process, click more filters where you can just have filters. So for example, look at here, what journal that you wanted to have. Okay, I don't want conference papers. Okay, now look at your years, last 3 years. Which year to which year? See, for example, I would like to have 22 to 24. The last 3 years papers, right? I have just given, apply. And publication type. Look at your process, publication type. Please carefully note it, process. With the publication type, more filters, go for more filters. Publication type, only journal articles. Look at your process, only journal articles and patent. See, patented articles, see if it is patented, it is a real research. So patented. Okay, then journals, what journal you want exactly? See, if you are searching for exact journal, you can even go for exact journal. Look at here, Nature, Springer, some exact journal from where you can get. Okay, process you can just give. Now apply all these. Now look at here, I'm able to get the latest version based on. See, I told no, look at your virtual space, new trends, traveling and time, COVID-19. Increasing purchase intention through experiential marketing. Look at here, the next one. The effect of post users of customer loyalty, mediating role of satisfaction. Impact of augmented reality, characteristics on retail brand equality. Brand loyalty, strengthening the brand experience of satisfaction. So you are all able to get the relevant articles. Okay, I'm able to get relevant articles. Now, from all these articles, look at your process. From all these articles, what does the paper give? Look at here. What does this paper talk about? Look at here. This is the impact of insights of this paper. This is the insight of this paper. When you go through, you will get the insight of this paper. When you go through this paper, you will get the insight of this paper. Now, I would like to get to know about this paper more. What? Now, summarized abstract. I would like to have summarized abstract of each paper. Now, look at the summarized abstract of this paper is appearing here. See? I'm able to get summarized abstract of this paper. Are you able to get it, professors? Look at here, summarized abstract of this paper. And summarized abstract of this paper. Summarized abstract of this paper. Similarly, you can go include anything. You can have a comparative review. For example, look at your literature survey. I just click over literature survey. What the literature survey says. 1 minute. I would like to sign up, professors. Kindly hold on. See, you should have signed up. Professors, please sign up, then proceed. Sometimes if you don't sign up, it will not continue. So let me sign up and show you. All right. Now look at your process. I'm able to get summarized abstract. Now it is not enough. I would like to have one more activity. For example, look at here. Now limitations, I mean results discussed in the paper or literature survey. Click that, you will get the literature survey of the paper. So without going into the paper, you will be able to get the gist of this paper against the topic literature survey, abstract and so on. Look at here. content analysis. So you get literature survey. Now, objectives of the paper. Look at here, just click objectives of the paper. You will be able to get the objectives of the paper. Slowly you will get objectives of this article, objective of this article. And you will be able to get data set. What is the data set that is used? You will be able to get limitations. You will be able to have findings. You will be able to have research gaps. All that you will get it from here. Am I clear to you, dear professors? All that you will get it. So you'll be able to get ideas on these papers. Professors, carefully note it. You'll be able to get ideas on these papers. Am I clear to you, dear professors? You'll be able to get ideas on these papers with all these. Look at here. Research gap, future research, data set, problem statement, population, challenges, application. All these are some of the areas we can explore from the paper using this tool. Now, what do I do? If I like this particular paper, I can download. Look at here, I am just downloading the paper one by one. Say I would like to have this paper. So downloaded. See, I have downloaded this paper. It is getting downloaded. Okay, fine. I would like to download this paper. Look at here. Click download. So I'm just downloading 3 papers. Professors, I have downloaded 3 papers. Totally, I have downloaded 3 papers. See, I have downloaded 3 papers. Done. Okay. And going here now, the 4th paper. Look at here. Just click. I have downloaded 3 papers. Right. I have downloaded 3 papers. All are better journals. 3 papers. Right. Go back to ChatGPT. Professors, have you all got it? Professors, have you all got it? See, after going through these, all these, whenever you add, you get the results for every paper. You get the methods used for every paper. You get the limitation for every paper. You get the contributions of every paper. You get the practical implication. You get the findings of every paper. For example, I click findings. Immediately, I get the findings of each paper. Look at here. You will get the findings against each paper. Okay, professors, look at here. This is the key findings of this paper. Okay, professors, have you all got it? Now, research gap. When I click the research gap, you will be able to find the research gap. Okay, professors? Right? Now, it is done. Now, what do? I go back because I have downloaded 3 PDFs. After going through these content, you just go through download. After downloading, process after downloading, is the screen not visible? Is my screen not visible? Process, is my screen not visible?
Visible, sir.
Visible. Okay, madam, Sujata madam, kindly look into your system, madam. I'm sorry, madam. All right. Now, all the downloaded journals. Look at here, professors. I'm just uploading all the downloaded articles. Look at here. What right side items are not appearing, madam? Bhagilakshmi madam, what are you asking? What right side items not appearing? Bhagilakshmi madam, I don't know what you mean. What is the right side? Right. Look at here. Just click upload. All the 3 downloaded. Look at here. Madam, download. You have the option, no? PDF icon. I show you once again. Look at there. See, when you click PDF, automatically it gets downloaded. Am I clear, madam? See here, PDF, all these files that give you PDF with recent research. Click PDF, you will get it. Click PDF, you will get it. Click PDF, you will get it. And if you would like to have exactly from particular journal, you will be able to get it. Okay, some standard journals. Nature, Springer, and so on, all that, right? Now, after downloading those, articles from SciSpace, you upload all those articles. Look at here. I'm just uploading this article. Look at here, one by one. 1, 2, 3. All these articles here. I've just uploaded all these 3 articles. Look at here. 3 articles. Okay, dear professors, if you want to go more, you can even go more. Make a critical, look at your process, make a critical analysis of the above articles separately. Okay, make a critical analysis of all these articles separately and list down the following. Okay, number one, objectives, number two, methodology used, number three, research data set used, okay, research findings, limitations of the research, six, research gap, seven, future direction, okay, future direction. Process, I just give you the prompt, you can use it. Future direction, make use of the prompt process. So I have attached, if you want in different way, science people would like to have in different way, you can very well go whatever you want. So I just upload the process, what happens? Now look at there, it makes a critical analysis of the uploaded articles and it gives me the content. Look at here, paper one, objectives, methodology, data set used, look at here, 520 valid responses. Look at here. See, every paper, it gives me a detailed analysis. Now, what should I do? I have to go through, study completely. I should understand each paper after generating the content from every paper. Have clear understanding. See, there may be papers go run through for 20 or 30 pages. Instead of studying this will give you the gist of every article. Look at here, research gap and future direction for the particular research. Make it separate for every research article. Dear professors, please understand carefully. See, when we have, I think that Selvakumar says it can be obtained in SciSpace itself. Of course, but you get only the lighter part. That is to decide whether could you download the paper or not. Please understand, dear professor, SciSpace, you can take this way. See, that is to identify whether this paper is worth to download. See, by going through all that, you will decide whether this paper is worth for review literature, whether it could be useful. See, all that are very, very simple. That is to make decision to choose that paper for review literature. Okay, or even otherwise you can use that. There is no clear cut rigid rules here. Right now, look at your article 1. Objectives, methodology, data set, research findings, limitations, research gap. Article 2. Okay, article 3. Now what should you do? You will have to go through. Am I clear to you, professor? You will have to go through every bit of all these. Am I clear to you, professors? All these understanding. Now, can we, professors, in the same way, professors, please understand, in the same way, professors, in the same way, can I get, sample review article? Can I get a sample review article? I have just got 3 papers thoroughly. Now, can I get, a sample review article? It's very simple. Please don't publish it as it is. You will have to go through the process. Right now, I'm going through all that together. Now, when you are doing it, you should never indulge in such immediately. I'm sorry, professor, there is a network issue. Am I audible to you? Professor, am I audible to you? Professor, am I audible to you? Am I audible?
Slight disturbance, sir.
Yeah. Sorry, madam. Because my mobile phone not using my not usual connection. I'm sorry. I'm coming back. Sorry. Dr. Jennifer, see, you choose the PDF. In open access. You will get all those. Okay, you will get all those. Now look at there. I have done I have done review literature, a critical analysis of 3 papers. You can do it similarly for 10 papers. You can do it similarly for 10 papers, right? Any field, Doctor. Professor Usha, you will have to authenticate and get it. See, you will have to find. You will have to find. Dr. Usha, you will have to find as a good. You can also get suggestions. See, for example, I shall let you know after some time. I will let you know how to find the best journals, open access journals. Kindly wait. I shall give you. Respond. Look at here. Look at there. I shall just tell you. Now I'm just getting for paper 2 and paper 3. So similarly, you go for 10 articles. Download. Before downloading, please go through thoroughly whether this paper is worth for reviewing. After deciding in typeset IO, then put it here and analyze. Analyze based on the titles in which you want to analyze, right? Madam, Madam, I don't know where do you want to download the file? Professor, where do you want to download the file? Anuraja, Madam, where do you want to download the file? Madam, clearly mention where do you want to download the file? That's why I told you how to make the difference between original journal and cloned and fact. Yeah, Dr. John, I'll come back to you. Yeah. You can rely on this ChatGPT 4 and it gives you, right? Let me come back to you. Let me come back to you. Let me come back. Let me come back, sir. Let me come back. For example, let me also give you both in typeset as well as there. Let me finish off this and go for that, right? I'm sorry. Madam in typeset, look at here. Madam in typeset, look at here. Look at here. You click and you'll be able to download. Okay. Okay. Here, it is here. And it you're able to download 10. 10. Yeah, 10. You are limited. I know you are limited. And later, after some time, you will regain the access. Okay. Now, look at here. I have done 3 articles reviewed clearly. Now, I'm going to generate a review article, download a review article, right? Professor, sorry, the review article of 3 articles that after reviewing clearly, you will have to go through. Please go through, have thorough understanding of every article. Only then going for generation of review article, that is to be kept as model. Don't use it as it is, please. That is to be kept as model. Okay, process. Right. Now, I'm going to generate a review article. Look at here. See, it is just generating. It takes unusually longer time. Can we use ChatGPT reference purposes like EndNote? Yeah. Very well, madam. Back to you. Next time, back to you. Professor, you narrow downing area. Then from there, you find out. From there, choose 5, problems. Using the 5 problems, you are able to pick up one problem, elaborate it, and call out the title, go to SciSpace, identify some of the articles from reputed journals. Okay. From there, you get to know from different aspects like, summary, limitation, findings, research gap, all that. Dr. Selvakumar, each one differs. Dr. Selva Muthukumar, each one differs. Yeah, it can be done. You, professor, you need not follow method the way that I go. You can go on your own. There is no hard and fast rule. But it is my own methodology that I am just giving you. You can find on your own. Whatever way that I'm just giving you an overview through which you can go. Say in outline, you get general. But I would like to be specific in getting following titles: objective methodology, data set, research findings in the arts based. Am I clear to you, sir? Okay, research gap and future direction. These are all needed for review article. Okay, based on that, I have just analyzed. Okay, right. I've got the review done for the 3 papers. Now I'm going for the 3 papers. Now look at here. Draft a review article based on the above 3 articles, 3 reviews made. Based on the 3 reviews made. Okay, professors. Now use the following format. Professor Lalita, I have told you very clearly. Professor Lalita, I told you very clearly at the beginning itself. Humanizing, you will have to write on your own. You will have to write. It is to get ideas. It is to get ideas. Okay, it is to get ideas. Okay, it is to get ideas. Please understand, it is to get ideas. And after getting ideas, you will have to use your own methods for writing. Don't expect it to draft for you. Okay, and as Dr. Selvamuthukkumar says, it may not give you exact reference and so on. It should not. It cannot personally mention any article. This is to get general ideas. Now, after getting general idea, you put it on your own. Okay, now look at the following format. I just would like to have, abstract, introduction, review literature with citing these 3 articles. Okay, and detailed content of the review of 3 articles. Okay, future research ideas, research gap identified, research gap identified, then future direction of research, conclusion. Process, please understand, this is to make you understand with detailed review. Okay, detailed idea. Please do not use it. Okay, just to have detailed idea, right? Now let me just put forth it. I will also give you this prompt. You can also just use. Professors, please carefully note it. Am I audible? Professors, am I audible? Professors, am I audible? Look at your process. Yeah. Look at the title. Look at the title. Professors, look at the title. The role of reality, post-usage behavior, experience, customer, and equality. The abstract. Look at your introduction. The review literature. Look at here. The review literature. With even with the particular research mentioned in the article. Okay. Professors, kindly bear with me. Today I am in another place. So see, I'm coming out with the professors. Look at the research gap identified, future direction of research. Please understand, this is to get idea. Don't use it for publication. Professors, see, you get idea. Now go through, have clear idea how to draft your own. Now you can use your own research methodology to draft a review article. Okay, dear professors, you can even get some of the analytical based ideas. Now I'm going for that. Have you understood how to generate ideas for research, review research? Professors, have you just gained some idea? Now how to download it in Word form? Look at here, download Download in DOCX. Download in DOCX. I just would like to have in IEEE format. Look at here. Make the article in IEEE format. You can even give, and you can even give any format that you want. You can specify. You can specify the format that you want. Enter. Process I have made. Make the article in IEEE format, that is for science. Download in DOCX. Let us see how it gets downloaded. Now I am going for science related items, narrow downing and getting ideas for research, writing articles. Process I'm going for science now. I'm going for science now. Before I go for science related item, experimental based research, I'm going for experimental based research. References you will have to write on your own, sir. So you can write reference. For example, I tell you. Professors, I shall let you know how to just find citation of an article. Let me just give me some time. Give me some time. I'll answer you. Let me answer one by one. I'm going to give you list of journals first. Then I'm going to give you how to. I think one of the professor asked how to get citation references. I'll just do that. I'll do that for you. Paper hold on process. It is getting ready in the IEEE format. Process again and again I'm saying it is to just to get idea. Yeah, statistical analysis. Yes, Dr. Sankaraya, you can upload. See, I don't right now. If somebody can give me, it can give you one by one. I shall answer. Please kindly wait. I shall just give you all together. Right? Please one by one. I'm sorry. Please be specific to only these initial research. Then we'll go for analytics and so on later. Okay, I'll just come for that. I'm still getting it because of the network delay. It is finding such a lot of time. You'll be able to download it in MS Word. Yes, process. Look at it. Look at the process. I just click download. Waiting for the download. Okay. It is taking a lot of time unusually because of the network delay. Like, look at here. I've just got the file. Let me open and show you the file. Let me open and show you the file. Look at your process. Process, look at here. See the abstract. See the abstract is here. Index here, the key terms. Key terms. Process keywords used, introduction, review literature. Okay. Post a detailed content review. Okay, future direction and conclusion. And it also gives you with some references. Okay, it also gives you with some references. Okay, process only 3 references because we have done with only 3. So it has given me only 3 references. And it has also focused me with future research gap and so on. Professors, have you all understood? Professors, have you all understood basic review research? Professors, have you all understood? Professors, have you all understood? Professors, have you all understood? Can I have your responses, professors? Are you getting something? Are you getting something? Are you getting some, time-saving mechanisms? I'm sorry. Professors, have you all got it? Yeah. Now, look at their process. Now, I'm just going for Dr. John asked a question. Yeah, I'll just give you how to get references. Look at here. You upload an article. You please upload an article. It is generate citation for an article. Upload an article. For example, I just upload this article. See here, the article is here, downloaded. Open the article. The article is here. Generate citation citation for the above. If you attach 2, 3, it will generate 2, 3. Okay, for example, you would like to attach one more article. Just click attach one article. You can attach one more article also. Look at here. I have attached 3 more articles. So it is getting uploaded. Now after uploading, look at this, generate citations for the attached articles in APA format. APA format. Process after uploading the file, you will get citation in APA format. You all know what is APA format, right? So this is I shall just give you the prompt. It is taking such a lot of time due to the speed of internet. See, I am trying to attach 3 articles. Okay, just hold on. Professor, have you got it? The way that I have done, see, upload all the articles. See, 2 articles got attached. Now the 3rd article is getting attached. Now I'm just removing because of time. Look at here, I'm just removing because it's taking such a lot of time. I'm removing only 2 articles. Look at here. I just give, now it gives me the APA format citation of the article. Look at here. See, have you got it, process? Have you got it, process? Have you all understood, process? Okay. Look at here with even DOI, it is permitted. Look at here. So I can download and I can use it. Professors, have you got it? You can even download it. You can copy and use it. You can even download it and use it. Okay, professors, this is how you can just generate the format that you want. APA format. That is the global accepted format for citations. So you can, have you all got it, professors? Generating citation of the articles that you want, exactly the format in which you can just get it. Have you got it, professors? Professors, have you all got it? Now, I'm just going for suggest me with 10, suggest me with 10 journals which are Scopus indexed in the area of information technology. See, for example, IoT, Internet of Things. I just wanted to have journals for Internet of Things. Just click here. It will give you, okay, look at there. It is giving me, professors, look at here. These are all top listed journals. Professors, Dr. John, these are all top listed journals. Look at your IEEE Internet. You can even go through the link also. Sensors, Discover Internet, Springer, EAI, top listed journals. Frontier of Internet of Things, Journal of Network, the top 10 articles, Springer. If you want, you can even have the link. List me the URLs of the above journals. You specify your area, you will get the journals. See whatever that I have got. Look at here. These are all link for all the journals. See, I'm getting the journal link. Professors, have you got it? See, I'm getting the journal link. Okay, professors, I am able to authenticate. I know for sure. These are all available in, you can even check it with UGC CARE. You can even check this with UGC CARE and find whether they are cloned and so on. These are not cloned. I know these are all top listed journals for Internet of Things. Likewise, you put, for example, digital marketing. Similarly for digital marketing. Similarly for digital marketing, I just would like to have digital marketing journal for digital marketing. Now look at there. I'm able to get for digital marketing. See here, Journal for Digital and Social Marketing Media, Internet Research, Journal of Marketing Communications, International Journal of Advertising, Interactive Analytics, Journal of Advertising Research, Electronic Commerce Research Applications, Computers in Human Behavior, Journal of Research Interactive Marketing. Click and see. See, there is a link here. You can click and see. Yeah, you can click and see and check. Professors, there is again a disclaimer. Even it may list you with wrong journals. You will have to check with UGC care list. You will have to check again with UGC care list. And you should be safe from predatory journals. Okay, dear professors, am I clear? Professors, have you got it? Have you understood? Now, shall I move on for the science research? Can we put prompt like open source journals like that? Yeah, yes, sir. So that will not, it will not give exactly. It will not give exactly. Dr. Ankur, what do you want me to repeat? Dr. Ankur, what do you want me to repeat? Dr. Ankur, what do you want me to repeat? Dr. Ankur, see, I just wanted 10 different journals. Look at here, 10 different, list me. You also use this. Suggest me with 10 different journals. Use your own area. See, use this prompt. Use this prompt, you will get all these journals. Use this prompt. Indexed citation. What is that indexed, Professor? I don't get it. Okay, 1 to 10 journals. Yeah. Some of your queries are not able to be understood. See, you just clearly mention, otherwise you can post it later. You can just ask voiceover, right? Now I'm just moving for science. Look at here. Look at here, professors. I'm just moving for science. Quickly, let me finish it off. Now I'm going for materials. Look at here. Nanoscience is a big area. Material science is a big area. Okay, right. Let me just choose. Suggest me with trendy areas of research in nanoscience. Professor, suggest me with trendy areas of research in nanoscience, general. Okay, now I'm going with a broader area. Take it up. Look at here. Nanomedicine drug delivery systems. See, this is one title, general title. From nanoscience, nanomedicine. Now, nanotechnology in energy harvesting. Third one, nanotechnology in environmental remediation. 2D nanomaterials beyond graphene. Nanoelectronics and quantum dots. Nanotechnology in food and agriculture. This is something impressive. Look at it, this is something impressive. I'm just taking nanotechnology in food and agriculture. I'm just copying. So I'm just from nanotechnology, I'm narrow downing. I just copy this. Look at here, I just copy this. Professors, please understand. Let me just give you the prompt. You also use this. Okay, please use it on your own. Please don't message. Let people use it. Okay, let people use it. Kindly wait, professors. Professors, kindly wait. Don't ask any questions now. Let me finish it off and you can ask, please. Otherwise, we'll lose the focus. Kindly wait. Now I just take up one of the, because we are running short of time, I will have to go take up Canva also. Look at here, nanotechnology in food and agriculture I have taken. I just take, look at here. Professors, kindly wait. Professors, I tell you, please wait. Because I am doing something and you are asking something, which will mismatch. Please. It will mislead others also. Please, let us focus one. And you see, I am just using one area. You just put yourself into your area. Okay. Now, look at there. I just use nanotechnology in food. Okay. Now, guide me with 5 problem statements in nanotechnology in food and agriculture. I would like to have, see now, narrow downing to trendy area. From there, research ideas. First, go for research ideas. Just generate research ideas first. Secondly, see, first one, narrow down with the research area. Okay. Now, secondly, go for research ideas. I've just given you the prompt over there. Now, I would like to have 5 research ideas in nanotechnology in food and agriculture. So, I'll get research ideas. From there, I'll call out one. Look at here. Nano encapsulation for controlled release of fertilization and pesticides. Nanoparticles in enhanced crop protection. Nanosensor in real-time soil health monitoring. Nanomaterials for smart food packaging. Nano-enhanced seed coating improved germination. So I would like to take up this. Look at your process. I would like to take up this nano sensors for real-time sensor monitoring, soil sensor monitoring. Nano sensors, or would you like to go for nano particles for enhanced crop protection, or would you like to go for controlled release of fertilization? You can take up anything. I would like to take up the first one. Look at here, nano encapsulation for controlled release of fertilizers. I have taken this and go for now the third prompt. Please understand now the third prompt. Third prompt. Generate 5 problems on, okay, you give the area. 5 problems on nano encapsulation and control release of pesticides. Right. Just give. Now I shall just copy and give you this prompt also. Process, make note of the prompt. I'm just giving all the prompt. Now look at here, the first problem. Challenge in ensuring biodegradability and environmental safety. Maintaining stability control release of variable field. Cost effectiveness in large scale agriculture. Potential toxicity and non-toxic organism. Now I just would like to go for cost effectiveness. Look at here. Professor, I request you to please not to use chat, please, for some time. Otherwise, you will miss all my chat that is being shared. Cost effectiveness for large scale agriculture use. Okay, I have taken it. And I want to elaborate. Now I have got 5 research ideas. Professors, I want to have 5 research problem statements. Now I want to have elaborate the problem statement on. Elaborate the problem statement on. Look at here. Elaborate the problem statement. Now you will get elaboration of the problem statement. Look at your process. Now you get elaboration on the problem statement. Go through these challenges. Okay. So it gives me, you are able to get, problem statement elaborately. Please go through, take time, not in a hurry. See, I'm doing it just for a model. Please go through immediately if you are convinced. So you will have to go search for papers, make reviews, identify the real problems cited in the previous reviews, collect all those, and come have cumulative ideas, cumulative research gaps, and have focus, having all that I'm skipping. So what should you do? You will have to go to size space process. You will have to go to size space, copy paste the article title, and you will get everything over here. Okay, process. You will get the article here. Now look at it. You can even specify more title. Let's see more. You can even fix the year. You can fix the year. You can fix the publication type, journal article, and you can fix even the journal. See Nature, or you can even fix specific journals. From there, you will be able to get, see, there are about 50,000 journals are here. You'll be able to get good articles. If you would like to have open access, look at here. Enable open access and PDF and use all these. Look at here. See, conclusion, results, summarized, method used, limitation, practical implication. If you want to have furthermore, you use chat with PDF, which means you upload the PDF file and you can ask any question. Based on that, you will get answers for a particular paper. Am I clear to you, professors? So size space can give you from any article. It can list your article first of all, and from all these articles listed, you can get all that you wanted to have. Anything you wanted to have, you can get them. From there, have clear understanding. Download the papers, read the papers properly, or use the the review method that I have just told you. Sir, Ankur sir, please kindly don't share. Wait, sir, kindly wait, sir, please. I'm sharing some of the prompts, sir, that will be missed. Please wait, sir. You please copy from here, sir, please. Now, what should you do? So now you please go through, have clear review, collect all those review. Now you understand the research gap. From there you proceed. Imagine that I have collected the review. I have read the review. Now immediately after that, look at here, I'm just asking, see, I've got a detailed problem statement. Based on that, suggest me, look at your process, suggest me with methodologies, and see, first of all, list me the following. Process, list me the following. Number one, research objectives. Number two, process carefully noted. Number one, research objectives. Number two, methodologies. Number three, experimental or requirements for experiments or experimental setup. Look at your experimental setup, because it's a science lab. Experimental setup, requirements, professors put it rightly, requirements for experiments or experimental setup, expected outcome. See, you should visualize the outcome. You should get idea for what are you researching and what would you get. Okay, expected outcomes. Okay, professors, all these you get it after reviewing the articles properly, after reading the articles, after having read the article, or after analyzing the article with the AI tool. You will get this for your further research. Look at your process for science. So you will be able to get the research objectives. Look at your process. I'm getting the research objectives. Look at your objective number one, to develop nano encapsulation techniques. Secondly, to explore biodegradable environmental safe materials, to analyze effectiveness of nano encapsulation, to optimize the release rate of. See, I'm able to know what are my research objectives. I got it, first of all. Secondly, I'm able to get the methodology. Look at here. See, if people understand nanomaterial synthesis, number one, encapsulation techniques, number two, third one, controlled release of studies, fourth one, field trials and cost studies, cost analysis. So these are all four methodologies that I am supposed to make. Now, requirements for experiments. Look at here. These are all materials that I needed. Okay. Now equipments. Look at here. These are all equipments. And field study, analytical tools. These are all analytical tools. So I am very clear now. What are the needed materials? What are the needed tools? And what are the equipments? And what are the materials? All that. So on having, what are the expected outcome? Look at here. Increased efficiency, environmental impact, improved crop yield, cost benefit optimization, sustainability. So these are all some of the expected outcome. Now, I would have got some clear-cut idea. Taking this, you will have to start collecting the necessary materials and try to involve the experimental setup. If you need further help, it will help you. The ChatGPT can help you. Now, what do I do? Now, I just go in for the roadmap for the PhD research. I have narrowed down my problem now. I am clear with my objectives now. I just go for title. Look at here. Guide me with 10 different titles for the above for a PhD research, and help me with roadmap for 2 years. See here, timeline. Professors, I'm talking about timelines. 2 years. See, for example, for a maximum, professors should get involved for 2 years of research with this research. See, I have now got objectives, methodology, materials, all that. Now, I'm asking 10 different titles to go focused. I'm asking PhD research roadmap for 2 years. Now, look at here. Look at your professors. Title, see, title number one. Nano encapsulation technique for controlled release of agrochemicals, optimizing crop yield, environmental safety, development of biodegradable nano carriers for slow release of fertilizers. So you have got 10 titles, and look at here. See, first 3, literature review and proposal development, material selection and preliminary, 7 to 9 month development of nano encapsulation system, and 10 to 12 small scale field visit, data collection, and 13 to 15 advanced research and real world applications, environmental and economic impact assessment, and final field trials and large scale applications, data analysis and thesis writing, publication. So see, milestone end of the year, you will be able to complete small scale trials, and what are you are supposed to complete end of second year, all these you will have to complete. Now I have got the title, I have got the focus area, I have got what am I supposed to do in first and what am I to do in second, all that clear cut ideas that I am able to get it. Okay, dear professors, have you all got it, professors? Professors, have you all got it? Professors, have you got some ideas? Could you please put all these into your area and get something? Professors, are you able to make something? You can just see. For example, sometimes when we step into newer areas, will not clear to go, and now you'll be able to have clear idea. Now with this, professors, I'm just moving on for research ideas, research projects. Professors, research project, with that we'll stop because we'll have to take up Canva. Okay, research projects. Now look at your professors. First, let me take up, professors, first let me take up arts-based research project for Dr. Selvam Muthukumar. Yes, you are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. It is, every now and then we do it. It is a continuous process of, see, actually to narrow down, we'll have to involve in our own research. Are you from science or arts, sir? Selvam Muthukumar, sir, are you from science or arts? Are you from science or arts, sir? Pharmacy. Okay, pharmacy. Yes, it can be done every now and then, sir. Whenever it is needed, we need to go for, review review research, reviewing the research. Actually, it should be done at the second to understand, identify the research gap. Then we should move on to our own proposed work and go for experimental research and findings. Then you will have to revisit and improve. Again, you will have to study, make review literature. See, these are all only purely ideas. You will have to make it in your own way. Am I clear, sir? See, you are all scholars. You are all genius in your own research. Please apply in the way you want. Okay. See, it gives in a general format. See, it may be useful for arts. Okay, arts it may be useful. Okay, it is different. Okay. So please apply your own domain skills, your own learning of research methodology to carry out your research. Okay, professors. Yeah, I understand. Now clearly. Now look at your professors. See, I have told you at the beginning itself. These are all just to get idea. I do not know where to go. See, I don't know how to go, how to start, where to stop, and when I am supposed to finish. So I will have a clear boundary of. That is why I just used to show you, just to have an idea. Okay, professors, please apply your own knowledge. Right now, let me just give you some ideas for generating, project proposals. Right. Suggest me, professors. Look at here. Suggest me with areas of project to be applied for ICSSR on digital education. Look at your professors. I just would like to have the title digital education. Look at your digital education. Now look at your professors. I'm just getting ideas on digital education. Now look at here. Digital literacy, inclusion in rural India. Second one, impact of digital education in learning outcomes. Digital pedagogy in higher education. Access and equality in digital education. Now teacher training for digital education. Now you can take up one. See, look at the use of AI and machine learning, personal learning. Now I would like to go for my own. Look at the process, my own. Look at here. Now I just would like to go for, you can focus any of these policy analysis of digital education. Now, impact of, look at your process, impact of NEP in digital outcome based education, outcome based education. Process after narrow downing, you can just cull out one and go for it. Now I would like to have impact of NEP in outcome based education using digital integration. I mean, education with digital integration. Digital integration. I would like to study. See, NEP is now implemented and would like to have study the real impact of outcome-based education with digital integration. See, ICT is one of the component of NEP document 2020. So I would like to study that. I'm going to propose a research idea. Look at here. I just give now. Now draft me, professors. Look at here. Draft me a model proposal, project proposal on process. Whenever you will be mostly considered when you just choose problems related to current area, which is government, UGC or the other bodies, which is currently recommends, okay, which currently in recommendation for the researchers, teachers. Secondly, you can take up anything relevant to marginalized people, vulnerables, women and children, and you should always connect society. I shall let you know even in science project. Look at here. I've just given draft a model proposal on NEP now in tune to ICSSR format. Now number one, I would like to have abstract. Number two, objectives. Professors, look at your objectives. Number three, professors, due to want of time, I'm not going elaborate. I just would like to be short. Please follow. Now, objectives. Thirdly, I would like to have methodologies used. Methodologies to be used. Methodologies to be used. Fourth one, expected data collection methods. 5, data analytics methods of data analytics. 6, expected outcomes. 7, social impact. 8, deliverables out of the project, deliverables. And 9, budget in rupees. Otherwise it will give you in in dollars, table format. Okay, table format. You just mention it is a major project. Okay, model for major project or minor project, minor research project proposal, right? Abstract. Professors, look at your abstract. Objectives, methodologies to be used, data collections and expected outcomes, social impact, deliverables, budgets in rupees. You will also look for similar status, international status and national status. For that, you will have to review the articles. Only then you will be able to get that. You cannot do it with artificial intelligence. You will have to review the article. Please use SciSpace, list the articles related to it, NEP and so on, and collect relevant status of research, and you can write your own reviews. Right now, look at here. I just go, and now you can also include another one within the data collection methods. Look at here. Here you can mention 3.A, 3.1. Questionnaire. It should be here. Sorry, it should be here. Data collection method. It should be here. Look at your process 4.1. 4.1. It should be here. Elaborate. Look at your process. I'm going to get everything. Let me just give you all these. This is for arts research. This is for arts related research. Please get it to your process. I have put the prompt in the chat box. Now just look at here. Process. See, this is abstract. See, this is purely an idea. Don't use it as it is. Just understand. Write it on your own way. Okay. Now look at here. Objectives. To analyze the impact of outcome-based education in the context of 2020. To assess the role of digital tools in technology in facilitating higher. To evaluate how NEP focuses digital integration and OBE frameworks. To propose a roadmap. Process methodology to be used. Qualitative methods. Case studies and interviews. Okay, quantitative, survey and data collection. Sampling, see this is the research focus. Now, primary data, how do you collect? Surveys and questionnaire. Interviews, who should interview? Different stakeholders of NEP relevant stakeholders, focus groups, teachers, administrators to discuss. Secondary data collection, see, this is from reports. This is from different reports submitted to the government, or journal articles could also be taken into consideration. And look at here the questionnaire. See, questionnaire should look at demographic details, awareness of NEP and OBE, digital tools. I will generate separately for you. Look at here questionnaire. I will generate it very elaborate. Look at here data analytics. It should be descriptive analytics based on the statistic like average and all the other. Look at here percentage to summarize the responses. ANOVA, regression analysis, t-test to determine significance of digital integration, qualitative data analysis. So I'm able to get what I'm supposed to do, right? And expected outcomes, clear understanding of how NEP has influenced adoption, insights into role of digital tools. So you are able to get it. Societal impact. Look at here, enhancement of digital literacy, improved educational outcomes, policy contributions. These are all societal impact. Deliverable, comprehensive research report, policy briefs, workshop and webinars, research publication. These are all deliverables to the public. Look at here. Since it is minor research project, you are able to get it within 1,70,000 rupees. If you could increase the budget little bit, and you'll be able to make. Actually, this research, this budget is actually okay. You can increase little bit, right? Process, you are able to get rough budget. Now, I would like to elaborate. Draft the questionnaire in detail. Look at here. Draft the questionnaire. Now, I'm just getting the questionnaire for you. Look at your process. Now the questionnaire name, data collection, name, age, demographic details, gender, role, see, student, teacher, administrator. This is something relevant to NEP, years of experience in education, and awareness on NEP outcome-based education. Look at here, how familiar, beautiful questions are framed. Okay, then section 3, use of digital tools in education. Okay, see, beautiful questions have been adapted. Impact of digital integration learning. Beautiful questions. Look at here. In opinion, what are the areas student learning most impacted tools? How does all these? Look at here. 5 areas have been given elaborately. So it has given me a model questionnaire through which it can be taken and effectively research could be made. Okay, dear professors, this is for arts. Shall I move on for science? Just a model. Quickly look at your process. Generally, can you just give me a model, just a domain in general, any of the area, quickly process, so that I can just work on in science. Now we have given. Kalpana madam, I'm coming to you. Kindly wait. Graph labeling. Okay, graph labeling. Okay, I just muscular. Okay, muscular. Let me take up this. Look at your muscular dystrophy. So let us take up some general one. Okay, fruit science. Intervention of development delays in children. Right. Well, I would like to take up one of the one which is very much nutrition. Let me take up nutrition. Professors, let me take up nutrition. Okay, let me take up nutrition or food flood hazard management. It is all okay. Medical image analysis. These are all not in general. See, tell me a simple research where everybody can understand. Not marketing. Professor, science. I'm asking in science. Just generally where everybody could understand. Okay, child nutrition. Look at here. Nanotechnology. Okay, I would like to take up nanotechnology. Look at your process. How to connect nanotechnology and women. Look at your process. Suggest me with project proposals on nanotechnology and woman empowerment. Look at your process. I'm just connecting nanotechnology and woman empowerment. Look at your process. See, enhancing employment opportunities for women, nanotechnology research and development. Nanotechnology, health, empowering women area in nano healthcare innovation. Look at your process. This sounds good for me. This sounds good. So I just take up this area. Now look at your process. Draft a project proposal on. Okay, nanotechnology for health, empowering SC/ST women. Look at your process. SC/ST women. Look at your process. I'm just narrow down. SC/ST women in rural areas of Tamil Nadu. Rural areas of Tamil Nadu. You can just narrow down. See, I'm just using my own ideas to narrow. See, though I've got the idea from here. Look at here. Women-led startups. So you so many items that you get. Now draft a project proposal for nanotechnology for health, empowering SC/ST women in rural areas of Tamil Nadu through healthcare innovation. You can be specific. And now here, see, now generally healthcare innovation means it is in general. You can be specific. And here, professors, the project proposal is for DST with a major DST, major project. Now the project proposal should be project proposals should be based on the below format given. Number one, abstract. Number two, professors, please listen here. This is for science. Abstract. Number two, objectives of the research. Number three, methodologies. Number four, requirements, experimental requirements. Number five, experimental setup. Six, findings. See, model output. Expected. No, hypothesis not needed, Professor Radhika. Hypothesis is not needed here. Experimental output. Sorry, expected. This is science research. Expected outcomes. Hypothesis not required, Professor, here. Okay, expected outcomes. This is based on a proposal of. Yeah, you can go for statistical analysis. Not necessary. Here, statistical analysis may not be necessary because it is science project. Okay. Whenever you need data, you will get involved statistical analysis. Here we are getting involved into experimental setup. Expected outcomes, societal, whatever you need, you can put. Process, whatever you need, you can just work on. Societal impact, 8, deliverables, 9, timeline for 3 years. 3 years, if it is major, 3 years. 10, budget in detail with clarity. With budget in detail. Right. 11. Okay, that's enough. If anything needed, I shall give. Social impact, societal impact. Right. Now deliverables I've just given. Now look at your process. Let me just give you this. You can customize the prompt as you need. Professors, you can customize the prompt as you need. Look at here. See the title. DST. See here, professors. Nanotechnology for health, empowering SC/ST women in rural areas of Tamil Nadu through health innovation. Look at your process. It talks about the project aims to empower SC/ST women in rural areas of Tamil Nadu. You can go with some areas. You will have to collect original data. From there, you should go actually. You can get data from collectorate and so on, government bodies. Use of nanotechnology-based healthcare solution. The initiative seeks leverage of nanotechnology for potential. It goes like this. Okay. Now, to empower the SC/ST women in rural area through hands-on training, nanotechnical, to increase the healthcare access to early detection of diseases such as, look at here, tuberculosis, cancer, infectious diseases, to promote economical empowerment by enabling to service healthcare facilitation, to reduce the incidence of undiagnosed late-stage diseases, to assess the social economic impact. Community selection. Look at here. This project will choose the community from Tamil Nadu rural base, recruitment and training, nanotechnology application, field trials and health camps, monitoring and evaluation. Look at your experimental setup. Nanotechnology kits. Develop affordable, easy to use nanotechnology kits for early detection of diseases. Look at your nano sensors for glucosis detection, gold nanoparticles for cancer screening, quantum dots for detecting infectious diseases, training models. Develop simple, accessible training materials, local language for SC/ST women, health data collection tools, mobile applications. See, you have to design mobile applications for collecting data, experimental setup. Look at here, for portable tents, temporary setup, diagnostic stations, lab partnership in collaboration with nearby hospitals, expected outcome, improved healthcare, economical empowerment, increased awareness, reduced healthcare. Now I'm clear about the outcome. Societal impact. See, empowerment of marginalized community, reduction in healthcare inequality, promotion of preventive healthcare, deliverables, training 100 ST/SC women, development and distribution of 100 nanotechnology-based diagnostic kits, report on health outcomes, policy recommendations, publication of research papers. Now timeline, look at here. Community selection year 1, year 2, year 3, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. So year-wise timeline is given. It is all rough idea. You need not follow as it is. It's only a rough idea. Having obtained this idea, you can elaborate and you can go on your own roadmap. Look at your process budget in detail. Totally about 49 lakhs. It has given me totally about 49 lakhs. Okay, totally including, research assistance for 3 years. Okay, 3 years, research project coordinator for 3 years, and you are able to get 49 lakhs proposed budget. Okay, dear professors. Similar way, you can get ideas for any professor. Professors, again and again, I'm emphasizing these are all to get idea. These are all to get idea. Professors, Professor Anand, you might have used some larger context for which 88 lakhs may be worth. Okay, so professors, please understand, you will have to choose the project proposal based on your research. See, don't give in general. Whatever you have done, the prior researches, whatever your publication that you have now, whatever that project, previous projects, based on that, you write the proposal. Only then you will be selected. See, even your project proposal may be good, but if you don't have ground research experience, we will not be, given. And another thing, dear professors, a disclaimer: please don't use it as it is. This is to get general idea. Based on that, you obtain the idea, write it on your own words, study a lot of research articles, reports, and so on. You will be able to make up the research proposals just by obtaining, and you will be able to proceed writing and go for it, professors. And professors, whenever you write, connect with society, rural areas, and marginalized, vulnerables. If you could use and if you could benefit them, certainly your projects will be considered rather than mere experimental setup and staying only in the lab. Okay, dear professors. So these are all my suggestions and guidelines, the way that I have perceived utilizing ChatGPT. Professors, I request you to please make use of all these. Okay, professors. Shall we move on to the next, professor? Sorry, I couldn't take up few queries. Shall we move on to the next, professors? What is your opinion? Shall we move on to the next? Professors, shall we move on to the next? Canva? Yeah. Now, professors, have you all got it? I have given you the prompt. Please make use of the prompt. You'll be able to get it here, professors. Okay, both arts and science I have given only for model. Okay, only for model. Now let me just go ahead for Canva. Okay, quickly. Just bear with me for today. Please go to Google. Professors, please go to Google and type Canva. And the university professors, yesterday, Dr. Jayaprakash, one of the organizers, told me that he would like to organize a separate workshop, maybe 3-day workshop for Canva alone. So don't worry, even if you couldn't make it, we can take up Canva in the detailed workshop. Right, look at here. Take up this link, canva.com. So I shall give you the link. Professors, I shall give you the link. I shall give you the link. Okay, please make use of the link. Now, after getting on to this page, have you all got this page, dear professors? Have you all got this page, professors? Right. Now, click sign up. Please click sign up. After clicking the sign up, press continue with Google. After pressing the sign up option, press please continue with Google. Okay. Now, choose an account. Please choose an account. Please choose an account and go ahead. Process, you are into it. Okay, you are into it, right? I have logged in. I have logged in. Clear to you, process. Now, how many of you have logged in? I shall give you time. How many of you have logged in? How many of you have logged in? How many of you have logged in? Press one in the chat. If you have logged in, press 1. It is very simple, and you can do it so fast. You can do it. Professor, sorry, mathematical based research I have not given you. You can even generate lemma if you could describe your problem. You can have programming outcome for your problems if you could describe. Sorry, I couldn't go for it because no time. Okay. Maybe we can have another day for mathematical process if possible. Right. Look at your process. Now after getting, now let me just introduce you this. What can we design with Canva? Please understand, what can you design with Canva? You can design a document. You can design a flyer. You can design an invitation. You can design a presentation. You can create a video. You can create a web banner. You can create social media posting. All that are in ready-made. Okay, all that are in ready-made. Okay, dear professors. So now let me just show you a simple, two things. Number one, I would like to show you a flyer, a simple flyer. Secondly, I would like to show you a certificate. Thirdly, I would like to show you a PPT. Okay, 3 things. Let me show you. Other things you can work on. Okay, dear professors. Now, the first one. Click here for search. What do you want to design? I would like to design a flyer. Click flyer. Enter. You will get lot of flyer models. You choose one of the models. Look at here. There are 1,000 models for flyers. You can choose one of the models which you like very much. Look at your process. You can choose any one of the models that you like very much. See, this is a simple model. You can choose any one of the models you would like to go for. Okay, dear professors. Okay, professors. Now, if you'd like to have invitation, you can even give invitation. For example, just type invitation. Just give invitation, flyer and invitation of the same type. Look at here. You will get the invitation. Okay, formal invitation. You will get the formal invitation. You can choose one of the models. Professors, you can choose one of the models. Look at here. I have chosen the other models for me. I have designed my own invitation. Professors, once again, let me tell you, you can choose the flyer models for academic events. You choose even academic events. You will get beautiful models. Look at your process. Academic models. Okay. Now shall I just go ahead, professors? I'm just choosing this one. See, I have just chosen this one. Taking this one. Look at your process. I have just taken this one. Okay, what would you like to have? See, after choosing this, you get so many models. What shall I choose? So I would like to choose this one. This one. Click this one. Click this one. Look at your process. I just would like to have this one. Okay, any of these, whatever that is fine, that is best for you. You can choose one. I would like to choose this simple one. Look at here. I find this is useful, so I choose. Click open. Click open. And after getting it opened, look at your process. After getting it opened, now just change whatever you want. For example, look at here. I just change this logo. I want to bring my own logo. How to bring your own logo? Copy and paste. See, for example, I would like to have Annamalai University logo. I just go to a website, Annamalai University logo. Have copy, look at your copy and go for this. Paste it. Just paste it. Professor, am I audible? I think there was a call. I was interrupted. I'm sorry. Got it, Professor? I just put it small. Professor, I have pasted the logo and you can make it simple and take it wherever you want. Okay. Take it wherever you want. Okay, Professor? Narrow down in the research. See, I just put it here and I just have it as, look at here. IQAC internal quality. You can just type by clicking. You can just type by clicking. Quality assurance cell within the bracket IQAC. See, I'm just typing within the font given. And here you can just go for Annamalai University, and you can increase the font if you want. Look at there on the top, you get everything. You can select, increase the font, the color can be chosen. See, font can be increased, all that can be done. And here, workshop on research methodology. Okay, process. See, I just use the word workshop on research methodology, right? You can even reduce the font. And just keep wherever you want. Okay, process. And now you can use the word organizing in between. How to bring that? Professor carefully noted how to bring that. You click the text, automatically you'll be able to click and you'll be able to get it. Look at here, there are beautiful models. You can choose any of the models and that appears and you can change. I would like to use the simple font. Just click and you get that. You can move up and down here and there. Click in between and you can just make. Look at here, organizes. Okay. Make it bold or italics and so on. All that you can get it, organizes. Right. So I got. Now about the workshop, you fill it. And takeaways from the workshop. Date, time, all that you can just fix it. For example, look at here, date and timing. So I can fix the date. For example, 1/10/2024 to 5/10/2024. You can make it a little bigger. Professors got it? Okay, professors got it? Date and time. And now requirements. Who can participate? You can just click and operate. Look at your process, click, and you will be faculty, research scholars, PG students, something like that. Okay, professors. Now I can make it bold, and likewise I can just go on whatever needed. If you don't want, you can delete. See here about the workshop, you can fill it and other takeaways and so on, and the contact person and so on. Click for registration and so on. All that can be done. Okay, professors. After the design, how should you download? Professors, after the design, imagine that I have done everything. Right now, I don't have time. You can, if you don't want, you can delete and you can replace with any of them. Right? Now, if you want to download, what should I do? Go on top. Professors, carefully note it. Go on top. Click share. Use download. There is an option download. Look at here, download. Click that and what format you want. See, would you like to have JPG format? Would you like to have PDF format? Would you like to have PDF print format? You can download. See here, I just would like to have JPG. Click and click download. You are able that poster shortly. Look at here. It is getting ready. Okay, dear professors, have you all got it? This is how you download. Have you got it, professors? Have you all understood, professors? Professors, have you all understood? Have you all got it? You're still getting it downloaded. Okay, professors. Okay. I suppose all of you see here, it is getting downloaded. Look at here, I'll just show you after downloading. I have not completed my editing. Look at here. See, it is ready. Professors, see here, the poster is ready. Look at here, it's a high impact poster. Look at here. So you can change. Look at your date and time. Who can participate about the mission? All that you can edit and you can get it. Okay, professors. Got it, professors. This is for a player. Now, would you like to have a certificate? Go. Come back to home page. Okay. Come back for design. Come back for home page. Look at your click and come back for home page. Come back for home page and search for certificates. Look at your professor's certificate. Certificate. Click that. Click that. Yeah, Tamil also it can be given. It can be given Tamil also. Once again, what do you want me to repeat, sir? What do you want me to repeat, sir? College website we cannot create using this, madam. You can use it, but of course we will have separate workshop because we don't have enough time. You will have to give me 10 days at least. No, we'll explore. We'll explore. Within short span of time, all these we cannot do it. No, please understand. Now you can choose any of the models. See, I have just given in the search box certificate. You can choose. You can choose any of the model which you like very much. For example, I would like to choose this one. I would like to choose this one. Click that. Click any model that you want. Okay, click any model and press customize. Click customize this template. Okay. Now, I would like to generate it for Annamalai University. Just for time being, look at here. See, change the logo. Change the logo and bring Annamalai University logo. I have it already. So I just copy and use it. So look at here. It is here. Copy. Let me copy and use it here. So I have pasted and I make the logo a little bit bigger and paste it here. Internal quality assurance cell, Annamalai University. Okay, Chidambaram. Professors, due to want of time, I'm not formatting. Please do proper formatting. Look at here. I just make it a little more bigger. Okay, professors. Now, certificate of participation. Certificate of participation. I would like to put it in one word. Professors, I would like to put it in one word. Look at here. I just make it slow. See, I can customize. See, I reduce the font. See, I reduce the font. See, I reduce the font. Certificate of participation. Participation. Okay, I've just put it certificate of participation. You can even reduce little bit. Yeah, you can add signature, sir. You can add signature. Now let me tell you. Look at there. This certificate is presented to. You can make it bigger and the name. You can fix the name. See, for example, Dr. Jaya Prakash. Okay, I've just put, and you can even add other titles and so on. Look at here. You can add other titles. See, Jaya Prakash, Assistant Director, IQAC, Annamalai University. See, you reduce the font size. Reduce the font size. Okay, reduce the font size. Okay, reduce the font size and use has participated. Look at your professor's content has participated in the 7-day online faculty development program. Professors, when you find the crown symbol, you cannot edit. Okay, participate in the development program on AI tools for teaching TEACING teaching from 1/9/2024 to 10, 9. So for this is only a model date process used in virtual mode. In virtual mode. Okay, process. Look at here. I can even make it little more bigger. Look at here. Yeah. Now you can even whatever you want, you can make it big and so on. Right, done. You can even increase the line space. Look at your process. You can even increase the line space. Look at there. See the line space on top. You can increase the line space, letter space. So look at here. It's CI. Please make note of it, dear process. Please make note of it. Look at there on top. You choose the model which is not with the star symbol. Okay, which is free. Right, done. Now, dear process. Okay, now IQAC director. Look at here. Doctor. The organization, what is the IQAC director name? Organizers. Could you please tell me what is the IQAC director name? Organizers.
Dr. S. Arudai Nambi, sir.
Dr. S.
Arudai Nambi.
Udai Nambi. Nambi. Sorry if the spelling is wrong. Look at here. IQAC director. Okay, now put it. Now the other person, Doctor. Sir, some name, sir.
Dr. S. Ramesh Kumar.
Sir.
Dr. S. Ramesh
Dr.
Kumar.
S. Ramesh Kumar.
Deputy Director, IQAC.
Program Coordinator. Look at something like that. FDP Coordinator, something like that, right? Now the signature. How to add the signature process? Everything is ready. The whole certificate is ready. Now how to add the signature? Simple. You can copy the signature and bring it, or else you can just go here. Look at your upload. There is an option upload. There is an option upload. Click the option upload and you can upload the signature which is locally available. Okay, for example, look at here. I have just obtained a signature. Professors, look at here. I have obtained a signature already. Say I've got a signature. Look at here. Now, how to bring the signature? You can just scan it and upload it into your computer. Now I have uploaded a signature. Look at here. This is obtained. Now, how to rotate and get this? See here, I can rotate. I can rotate this. I can just rotate this signature. Process, I can rotate this signature. See, I've got the signature, but it is with the background. It is with the background. How can I remove the background? Very simple process. Carefully note it. On top, you have option PG remover. Click that and you'll be able to remove the background and get only the signature. Look at here. Now I get only the signature. See, process, I got only the signature. Okay, process, have you got it? Have you all got it, process? See, I got only the signature. Got it, process? Process got it? Now I'm going to download the final certificate. How? Look at there on top. Click this share. Process, carefully note it. After editing, click share. Download. There is an option download here. Look at here, download. And you choose a proper method. See, I would like to have it in PDF method this time. PDF. Click PDF and click download. Automatically, the certificate will be downloaded in PDF format. Okay, just a model. Just a model. Afterwards, you give it to the designer and they'll be able to print. Look at your process. They are able to get the certificate. Look at here. See? Got it, process? In a simple manner, I'm able to design a certificate. Okay, professors, have you all understood? Now going for ideas for PowerPoint. Professors, same method. Look at here. Just go for PowerPoint. Click PowerPoint. Click PowerPoint. Hundreds of templates are available. Look at here. Hundreds of templates. Now you will have to choose whatever template you want. Look at here. These are all hundreds of template you want. So would you like to go for this? Our thesis depends. Look at here. This is for thesis. Okay, this is for thesis, right? Shall I go for this? I just click over here. Click this model and customize. Customize. Click customize. Customize. I'm sorry, professors, right now. Click customize and you will be able to work with every slide. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, professors. Right now, there is no enough space here. Kindly hold on, professors. Now look at your professors. 1 minute. Look at here. Now I've got it. Customize. Once again, I customize and taken the first template. So you'll get the template. Sir, Selvaraj sir, I'll come back, sir. This is something relevant to this. No, please wait, sir. See here, you can customize process. Look at here. Right now, I'm unable to do it because of the problem here. Now look at here. Click this and you can edit. Look at here. You can edit the title. You can edit this. You can edit this. Look at here. You can one by one. You can edit. Look at here. You can edit. See, this is for project preparation. Look at here. You can edit. You can edit. If you would like to go for infographic, look at here. See, this is another method. So you will be able to edit it and finally you will be able to download. So what I do, tomorrow I would like to start with, PowerPoint and I'll take up 15 minutes and we'll go for, multimedia content generation tomorrow. So we'll be able to do it with image generation, audio video generation and other image generation tools and, audio clips also. So we'll be able to make it and a few other mobile based tools, interesting tools. Okay, professors. So I will start with presentations. Okay, since it is time. So we should not take up any more because it is 8:30. Crossing that it is not good because more than 2 hours it will be very difficult for any participant to sit back. Thank you, professors. Now I suppose you should have got some ideas on Canva and I have elaborately discussed you with different methodologies for arts and science, research methodologies for survey papers, research article generation based on experiments, and thirdly, you can work for project proposals for arts and science, minor and major. Thank you, professors. If you have any clarification, you are most welcome. Thank you, professors, for your compliments. I am really indebted to you for all your, encouraging words. I'm sorry, some of the queries I might have not taken. Please apologize me. My sincere apologies to you all. Thank you, Dr. Radhika, for your, as usually, excellent write-up. Today, don't worry, professors. I admit that today there was a problem with network because I have moved down to some other place, not in my station. So I'm in a remote area where network is limited. And I'm connected with mobile phone. Every now and then I get calls. So sometimes, we might have lost the focus. I'm very sorry. Tomorrow it won't be there. We'll make sure. Thank you. Any clarification, professors? Any other tool available for get research articles? There are plenty of tools, sir. So you can do with Copilot. You can do with Alena itself. Okay. You can even, I'll just give you you can Quillbot. Okay. There's a tool called Quillbot. An excellent tool. Any other process? What about the plagia? What is that, madam? Kalpana, madam, what are you saying? Plagia? Plagiarism, you are talking about plagiarism. That's why I told you don't write it as it is. This is to get idea. Don't use it as it is. Okay, professor. This is to get idea. Okay, right. In-text citation and review page, you will not get it, professor. You will not get it. You will have to make it. See, please understand. Don't take it as it is. This is to get model. You read and cite it. Okay, we will not get it from AI tools. Yeah. In-text citation. Yeah, process. Thank you, process. Tomorrow class by 10:30. Yes, madam. I think the organizers have announced. So because Sunday, many of you would go out in the evening. Considering the request, the organizers have fixed it in the morning. Is everyone okay with that? Because Sunday you would go out with families for dinner out and so on. That's why we would like to have it in the morning, because evenings you will be busy. That's why they have fixed it in the morning. Thank you, professors. Some of you may not be okay with the morning time. Please bear with us. If you have any other engagement, please make use of YouTube. Kalyani madam, Usha madam, why you explain both teaching and research? Why don't you add AI tools for teaching and research? Where, madam? Where? In the brochure? Okay. Sure. Next time. Because we have given A simple, thrust is not given to research. No, that's why. Okay. Thank you. It can be well taken by the organizers. Since it is time, shall we move on? Hand over the floor to the organizer. Madam is already waiting.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Over to you. Thank you, madam. Thank you, participants, for your enthusiastic participation once again today. I'm sorry once again. My sincere apologies if there are inconveniences caused due to network issues. Right. Thank you.
Very good evening to everyone. Thank you, Professor Vimal Gerard, sir, for your amazing lecture and discussion. As usual, your presentation brought new insights from the current scenario and drew the audience in and held their attention for the 2 full hours, sir, fully engaged. So, sir has explained today about through ChatGPT, the research tool that is a typeset.io tool. He has given explanation, and from this, by using the above app, how to generate that is ChatGPT can assist. It takes such as the generate research gap, research findings, and literature review and data analysis, and even writing entire. And even writing entire sections of academic papers. R has explained with the demonstration also clearly explained, and furthermore it can help the scholars as well as the faculties to know about by generating ideas, providing summaries, and offering suggestions for further research also, sir. Sir has explained by the tools like ChatGPT can speed up the writing, because this is very useful tool for speed up our writing process by automatically generating contents that can be further edited and refined. So then after that, research publication, how to journal and how to highlight the point, whatever we need by putting the keywords, automatically it generate whatever we want. Then after that, sir has clearly explained about how to generate the project proposal. So for example, also sir has given for if you are going to apply for ICSSR like this, DST and some other projects, sir has given demonstration also. And finally, the third one is Canva. Is a very good, interesting topic. Sir has explained through Canva how to generate the template and demonstrated also the various designs, that is flyers, invitation, and certificate. And even certificate, how to we have to model also. Sir clearly explained how to incorporate the signature and other theme of conference workshop. Sir has given the demo also. And finally, he started the PPT. Then tomorrow he's again going to continue the PPT through Canva, and other topics. Rest of the topics will cover tomorrow. Definitely, sir, the participants will be satisfied very much. On behalf of the organizing committee, thank you, sir, once again for your dedication to professional development, contributes to your continuous growth. This is the commendable, sir. Definitely, we can receive so many feedbacks immediately. Then and there we have received, sir. So you also clearly, whatever the clarification, doubt clearly, then clear communication of AI tools improve the student understanding and the participation. So I once again thank Professor Vimal Gerard, sir, as well as the participants. Mainly, they have a very active, even evening, morning, since they have work, and in addition to this, they have occupied our team entirely. They have active participation. Through the participation and your lecture only, this program will be a grand success. So thank you very much, participants, because tomorrow is the last day. Due to the small adjustment, you have to bear with it. Most of the candidates will want to finish the morning itself. For that reason, we have considered. So the tomorrow we have a session. We start from 10:30 onwards. So as usual, I need all your support and cooperation. And thank you, Professor, and other participants once again. Thank you very much. Thank you. We will meet tomorrow.
Thank you. Thank you, madam. Thank you so much. Professors, don't forget, tomorrow we shall meet at 10:30 to explore multimedia content. Okay, generating images, generating videos, generating interesting content.